my channel. Today we're going to bake the all-time classic chocolate chip cookie. Well, I am a big fan of chocolate and I love chocolate. Today we're going to bake the kind of cookie which is crispy on the outside and ooey gooey in the inside. If you're a fan too, this recipe is gonna amaze you. It's so easy to make and it's so delicious, especially with a cup of milk. So, let's get started. First of all, prepare the ingredients as shown. In this recipe, I'm using two types of chocolate chips, the dark chocolate chips and the milk chocolate chips. I find the addition of the dark chocolate chips actually enhances the chocolatey flavor even better, and it doesn't contribute too much on the sweetness of the cookie. But of course, if you didn't have two types of chocolate chips, just one type of chocolate chips will still work as fine. Add in your room temperature butter, custard sugar, and brown sugar into the electrical mixer. Start creaming the batter on medium speed until well combined. Then, you can slowly add in the egg and vanilla essence into the batter and continue creaming. Next, slowly add in the flour, cornstarch, and baking soda. Mix until just combined. The cornstarch actually contributes to the chewiness in the middle of the cookie. Lastly, fold in your chocolate chips into the dough. If you like the nutty flavors, you can even add in some pecans, or almonds, or even pistachios. Then, you can use a spoon to scoop up about a tablespoon of the dough and simply roll up in your hands into a ball shape. Now, make sure there is enough space left between the cookies as they will expand as they bake. Before baking, pop the tray into the fridge for about an hour. This is to ensure that the cookies will retain its shape when it's baked. After an hour, bake the cookies in a preheated oven for about 15 to 17 minutes at 160 degrees Celsius. Cool the cookies on the baking tray for at least 20 minutes. And ta-da! Your crispy on the outside and ooey gooey on the inside kind of chocolate chip cookies are now done. It's so delicious. If you like my video, don't forget to hit like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more.